Once upon a time, in a colorful world, there was a young boy named Tim. Tim loved puzzles and problem solving. One day, he discovered a magical language called Python. With Python, Tim could talk to computers and make them do amazing things. Excited, Tim started learning Python. He learned how to make the computer say hello and solve math problems. As he grew more confident, he created a fun game where a brave hero fought evil dragons. Tim shared his game with his friends, and they were amazed. They all wanted to learn Python too. Together, they formed a coding club, exploring Python secrets and creating their own programs. One day, they organized a coding fair at school. Everyone was impressed by their projects. Even the teachers were amazed by what these young programmers could do. From that day on, Tim and his friends became coding superheroes, using Python to bring their imaginations to life. They knew that with Python, they could change the world, one line of code at a time.